Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to generate product description on Shopify. So how do you do that? Just simple go ahead and click your products on the left hand side and you want to find the product that you want to generate the description for. So I'm going to choose this one here and let's go ahead and take it. Now you can do this two ways. If you come up with a killer title for your product, you can just simple copy the title, and below that in the description field, you will have this little icon here for AI that says generate text. You can click on that and it's asking you for features and keyword. You can choose to fill in this if you want to be super specific, or in my case, I'm just going to copy the same title, put it there and just click generate. And that's going to come up with a description for your product. And all you have to do is just say keep, or if you don't like it, you can say generate again. It's really up to you. And it's going to do a new generation. Once you're satisfied, simple go ahead and click on keep, and it's going to insert that product description right into that product description for you. And that's it, guys. Once you're finished, just simple go ahead and click save, and that description is now added to your product. And it is as easy as that. Very easy and very simple, guys.